Here's the unboxing of Redmi Note 10 5G.
This is Techno Manila Live Channel, Digital Broadcasting Network. Subscribe now.
Just a few weeks ago, Xiaomi Philippines launched Redmi Note 10 5G in the market. Priced at 9,990 for the 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, 11,490 for the 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage. The unit comes with Gorilla Glass 3, plastic back and plastic frame. Nasa loob ng package ang SIM card tray ejector pin and ang free jelly case back cover. Also included ang multilingual instruction manual at ang warranty card. Redmi Note 10 5G comes with 1080 by 2400 pixels, 405 ppi display, and 20 by 9 aspect ratio. About the screen naman, it has 6.5 IPS LCD FHD Plus display with 90Hz screen refresh rate. Kasama rin sa package ang fast charger. Redmi Note 10 5G has a lithium polymer 5000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging. For data charging and file transfer, the phone uses USB Type-C cable. The processor of Redmi Note 10 5G is MediaTek Dimensity 700, which supports dual 5G. It has an Octa Core CPU and GPU of Mali-G57. The unit supports dual 5G, of course, LTE with Voice over LTE or VoLTE, 3G HSPA Plus, and the 2G EDGEGPRS. Pwedeng mag-add ng MicroSD pero shared siya doon sa isang SIM. Comes with 8GB RAM yung unit natin with 128GB of storage. It has 48 megapixel main camera at the back with 2 megapixel for macro and 2 megapixel for depth. And for the front camera, 8 megapixel for selfies. You can buy the tempered glass sa Shopee or sa Lazada, pati na rin yung mga back cover na available for the unit. The unit comes with dual band Wi-Fi, so you can use the 2.4 GHz and the 5 GHz Wi-Fi signal. Then, meron din tong Bluetooth, NFC, FM radio, and hindi naman nawawala yung 3.5mm jack for the earphones. Available unit colors: chrome silver, graphite gray, nighttime blue, and aurora green. Pero sa store, ang available lang nun yung graphite gray. Nasa side yung on and off button, yung power button, at yun yung nagsisilbing fingerprint scanner niya. Ayan. For the user interface, currently MIUI version 12, global version ang gamit niya. Abangan nyo yung susunod na video. Iti-test natin yung 5G capability, yung speed test ng 5G networks na nare-receive nitong Redmi Note 10 5G. Thanks for watching.